We're on a lunch break right now, over 1,000 people over here. And if you've been watching Instagram, you know that this event is full on. Hundreds of talks, a massive mega festival-style party almost every night. The question is, how does my team do this without getting burned out? So I want to tell you a secret. So one of the things we do is we listen to this one track by Paul McKenna. It's called Hypnotic Trance Bliss. You see, stress is not about how much you're doing. It's about the story your brain tells yourself about the work that you're doing and the pressure you're on. If you can change that story, you experience less stress. Paul, tell us what Hypnotic Trance Bliss is doing.
Okay, so this is quite a sophisticated 22-minute trance. You listen with headphones because you have messages for the right and left brain. And therefore, I'm talking to your whole brain. But no matter how stressed or anxious you are, 22 minutes later, you won't be. You'll be feeling absolutely amazing. You'll be feeling this bliss, this peace, this kind of euphoria. And if you use it every day, you get an accumulative effect.
What's really amazing is that when you listen to this track multiple days in a row, what happens is that it actually creates a permanent stress response difference in your body. So you're able to handle more complexity without burning out. Now, we're going to make Paul McKenna's Hypnotic Trance Bliss track available to you completely free on Mindvalley for 5 days, starting today. I want you to play with this completely free. This track sells for $49, but I want to give it to you for 5 days completely free because I want you to experience this man's work. The reason we're doing this is because on August 9th, the brilliance that Paul McKenna has brought to this event here, we're going to telecast it live. Telecast it? We're going to Zoom it live on the internet for 4 hours straight. Paul McKenna's going to take our live audience through 3 hypnotic trances. First, a hypnotic trance to help you elevate your confidence. Second, a hypnotic trance to help you step into your ideal body so you make the right health decisions. And the third, a hypnotic trance to break through any ceilings you have on your earning potential. Completely free, August 9th. Paul, tell us what you're going to be doing.
Okay, so everybody would like a bit more confidence. I'm going to help you program your mind to instantly boost your confidence so you feel more natural, authentic, full of self-belief. Also, to increase your health so that if you want to lose weight or you want to get fit, you want motivation for fitness, again, we'll crank that up. And then last, but certainly not least, I'm going to help you install a rich mindset so that you think about life in a richer way. You make more money, you feel emotionally richer, and what will happen is you'll break through the limitations of what you believe, the thermostat setting, or what you believe you can have in terms of wealth in your life.
Amazing. So we'll see you there August 9th.